Durable, trusted and built to last. Bend, flex tested 3,000 times for dependable use. Flexible exterior cord coating for quality feel and finish. Designed to work flawlessly with your favorite OtterBox cases and accessories. Limited lifetime warranty and no-hassle customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Connectors look superior to generic, flexible strong, works perfectly, 2M, 6.6 feet, useful length. I'm pleased with the quality and function of this 2M, 6.6 feet, OtterBox USB-A to USB-C cable. It looks well built and secure at the connectors, and the cable has a sturdy look and feel. This cable has a better quality appearance than the generic USB-A to USB-C cable I'm replacing with it that was included with a no-name, MagSafe charging stand I bought to charge my iPhone 14 Pro and Apple Watch. This cable can't plug into my iPhone 14 Pro or iPad mini 5 as they still use Lightning to USB cables. But it's a better quality cable to use with related accessories. My MagSafe charging stand included a QC 3.0 USB-A fast charging adapter, not an Apple charger, that plugs into the wall, and a 1M cable that's too short for my needs and looks basic in terms of quality. I'm using this OtterBox cable instead as it's 2x the length, so I could move my charging stand bedside and hide the cable behind my nightstand. The larger USB-A side of this OtterBox cable plugs into the wall adapter, and the USB-C side plugs into the stand. This OtterBox cable functions perfectly with my MagSafe charging stand.